In 2010, my husband and I began to remodel the kitchen of our 109-year-old home. Little did we know that 10 years and 5 kids later, we would still be working on completing the project. Please join us while we work towards building a center island and completing the lower stove cabinets, all by March 31st, 2020. Welcome to the Snail Pace Challenge. Welcome back to another Snail Pace Challenge update. We have officially passed our Snail Pace Challenge deadline.
By 4 days.
By 4 days. But here's the update, and did we meet the challenge? So how did we make out? Did we make our goal?
No, we have a long way to go.
Wah, wah, wah.
Before you think that bad of me, let me make some more
checks,
circles
right?
here. Ready?
Yay! That
There.
looks a little
Does that
bit
look better?
better. So why don't we explain to them what actually got done this week?
Show them this.
It's freestanding. It is stained. It is finished. It is glued. It is screwed. And
no doors.
No doors,
shelves,
but it just needs a countertop, and it would be fully functional.
There's a door right here.
Yes, I did this today. I was hoping it would go quickly, but it took maybe 4 hours to make this.
Oh, wow.
Oh, it was awful.
Very, very labor intensive.
So anyway, there it is. But I always say the first one takes a very, very, very long time. The second one takes about half that much time. So the second one should take about 2 hours.
So are you going to work on another one tonight?
I'm going to try, yes.
So what are our plans now that the Snail Pace Challenge has... the date has gone past and the cabinet's done. Are you going to...
We have to keep going until
So we're
done.
going to keep going even though
okay,
it's not
here's
done.
what's on the thing. This Snail Pace Challenge. We have to finish... All these here are doors and then shelves. So I have to do those. And hopefully those will take just a few more days, I hope. And then this is all staining and finishing right here.
Okay, so that we can't do that until you get the doors to us.
Right.
We have the one door we can do tonight.
Yes, and then, well, we don't get a circle for a door yet. It's assembled, but we still have to take it apart and then stain it. Then we're going to put it back together and finish it up.
Okay.
So, and then glue it. So, anyway, we don't get a circle yet for that. But do you think we can have it done by our next Snail Pace Challenge update?
By next Saturday?
Yes.
Possibly.
We
You hopefully can have everything built. We don't have the hinges ordered or the countertop, the butcher block ordered
we need
yet.
to get that. But if I can do a door a day, then we have... Well, it'll be done by next
And
week.
you've already this week you ripped all the wood, right? And
The
shaped
wood's all
all the
there,
wood.
yes.
It's just joining it all.
Right now it's just joining.
Okay, so
So it should go faster.
Yeah, you
Now that I got
finished
one done.
all that stuff. That's what he was working on all week. It's just the cutting and the piecing it all together.
And that takes a long time.
Yeah.
But it starts to go faster. Once you've done a few, then it goes faster. So
I think we
see.
might be able to
I
finish
think
it
we
by
can do
next
it.
week.
At least what's on the list. This
Right.
will not be totally up and functional because, well, we still have to get drawers. And the drawers is not part of this challenge. We'll probably
Yes.
hire out the boxes and then I'll put the front on them.
We're doing research on our local construction guy, because of the quarantine, is probably not going to be able to do them for us. So we're looking into some other resources to doing that. And the shelves in here are part of it though, right?
Yes, the shelves are part
Okay.
of the challenge.
So then we'll be able to...
So the doors and shelves, that's about it for this Snail Pace Challenge.
But look how pretty that is. That came out so
It is pretty.
That is so. Oh, we need to get the knobs for doors.
We do.
That's the other thing we
Yes.
didn't-
That's not on this one. Okay,
No.
Here's the plan. After we're done with this Snail Pace Challenge, I'm going to take probably a week, week and a half, maybe 2 weeks off. And there are so many things we need to do around here that have gotten neglected because I've been building this. We get caught up on that. And then we're going to do another round of Snail Pace Challenge. And while the quarantine is going on, is a great time to do it.
Yes, but we can't. So the problem is we just built a bigger piece of furniture for our kitchen, except it's totally unusable, which is making things a little bit more difficult
Right.
for cleaning purposes. So we need to hustle on this because over here, which is not so cool, we have some of the building tools, and then the current island that was in there. Well, obviously all these things in here, I need them every day. So this is currently in the dining room, baby steps here.
This is the look of construction when you're doing projects.
All right, so that is our April 4th Snail's Pace Challenge update. We're hoping by next week to have everything on that list done. I think that's really doable with the few doors that we have left. I think Art can totally do it. So come back here next Saturday, usually late at night. You can see our latest update. As always, thank you so much for all of you who have been cheering us on. We're getting there at a snail's pace. That's why the title of this challenge is so appropriate for us, because we do move at snail's pace. However, we usually do accomplish it eventually. So let me know what you're working on. Maybe you have your own personal snail's pace challenge. Let me know either in the comments below or on the community page what your challenge is, so we can root on for you as well. Have a great evening, stay healthy, and we'll see you next week. Bye.